Assalamu alaikum guys, Loving Family Kitchen here again today, and for you I've got a really good one. This is a masala sauce base that's typically used in your British Indian restaurants, Indian Bangladeshi restaurants. List of ingredients on the side there, and we've gone straight in with the garlic and ginger paste. Now you can use store-bought, you could blend your own, entirely up to you, whichever you prefer. For the convenience, you probably just want to go store-bought. You're going to let this brown just a little bit, and of course we've got to go in with some salt, so about 1.5 spoons of salt. Give that a good mix, and before it browns too much, we're going to go in with our ingredients. Now here we have some store-bought Patak's tandoori paste, store-bought Patak's tikka paste, and we're going to go in with about a cup of sugar. You might want to add some more. Again, it depends on your taste. I don't like things too sweet, so I think a cup for this amount is just about right. So give that a good mix, and once it starts to boil, then we're going to add just a pinch of deep red color. You can skip this step if you'd like, but it really does bring about that sort of traditional tikka masala color. I've added about a spoon or a heaping spoon of coriander powder as well as cumin powder. Give that a good mix, and now we're going in with our peeled plum tomatoes. Again, store-bought. This is the canned variant, so I've just poured this out of a can, which is absolutely fine, and it's exactly what they do in the restaurants. Let that cook. Now it's started to come up to a boil, and we're going in with some dry ingredients. We have some desiccated coconut or coconut flour, and also some ground cashews. Typically in the Bangladeshi Indian restaurants, they use either almond flour or they use peanut flour, whichever one is available to them. Again, I am making this to have myself, so I've used cashew instead, because I prefer cashews. I think they taste just a touch better. So we're going to cook that until it all thickens, and what I don't show you is me blitzing this with a stick blender. But of course, once it's cooked and once it starts to bubble up, this is exactly what you want to do. And here we are guys, this is your authentic Indian restaurant style masala sauce base, and this is used to cook your chicken tikka masalas, your butter chickens, and all of the other variants of dishes which are similar to those. I hope you enjoyed this guys, I hope it was informative, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and Salaam.